Starting as soon as possible, you can still do business more comfortably. Next slide, please. I call this N-word coded nationwide. Coded stands for something. Let us see what does the C-O-D-E-D means. Alright, next slide, please. Letter C stands for call. Either our globe number or smart number. I will not answer that one definitely. But I expect you to call if you have your next slide, please. Your orders for products. You place your order worth at least 1,500 and provide the following. And what we do, after taking your order, we give you some confirmation number. All you need to do is deposit. That is that letter D means the payment. We did not state it here because our staffs will tell you, our specialists will tell you where to deposit it. And then after depositing it, all you need to do next is letter E. You got to email the deposit slip at this particular email, product order at thealphanetworld.com. We will make our own validations and confirmations. After making our confirmation, we will do the letter D, the last step, by delivering it to you or to your home or to your office. So, may office o wala, nandiyan si upline o wala, tawag ka lang sa office. Saguhin namin order ninyo. Then deliver pa namin sa inyo. Ayos ba yun? So, we are talking about nationwide. Guys, we are talking about the branches, yes? We are talking about the nationwide delivery. You don't have to wait for me to put up